Hi there, welcome back to another video. If you are tired, you feel sore and stiff in your body, then this flow is for you. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, probably a wall for support, and a good will to practice with me. So let's get started. To start with, sit right next to with some support, like right next to a wall. For keeping the spine erect, and just make yourself comfortable in any seated posture and close your eyes if you haven't already. Try to bring the soothness, the calmness in your body through the breath reset, where you focus on your inhalations as well as exhalations. Breathe in and out carefully. Do it at least 3 to 5 rounds with all the awareness. And when you feel ready, gently open your eyes and let's get started with all the flow. While continuing to sit next to the wall, stretch your legs wide open. Stretch them to the sides as far as you can, but remember to feel relaxed in your hips and importantly in your hamstrings. Remember to keep pointed toes towards you, hands over the yoga mat. Let the stance be fixed and breathe in and out and make yourself very comfortable yet fully active in the stretch. You will feel all the sensations in your hamstrings. And then eventually interlock your both the fingers and start moving your hand to the sides and try to make big circles. Do it clockwise, 5 to 10 rounds, and then we are going to do anti-clockwise as well. Remember to make comfortable yet bigger circles around your legs. Let your sit bones and legs be active and over the floor. Continue to breathe in and out, and after all the rounds, then gently bend your legs and stand tall on your knees. Toes could be tucked in or out as per your ease. Hands at the back. Keep the chest open. Breathe in and out, sit. Breathe in, come up. And gently fold to the back and then again come back over the heels. Inhale, come up. Breathe, 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 and exhale, come back. Inhale, and this time bring one hand over the heel. The other hand could be at the back, or you can stretch it in the air, or eventually you can place both the palms over the heels. Keep chest open. Breathe in and out. And gently come back. This time try to see if you tuck your toes, how deep you can go far in the back bend camel pose. Yet you will be in ease. Breathe in and out. Relax. Stretch your arms in front of the body. Now from here, adjust yourself and extend right hand, left hand come in practicing thread the needle stretch. Keep hips up facing the ceiling. Shoulder open. Breathe in and out. Exhale, come back. As you inhale, change the side to the other side. Again, remember Do not squeeze the chest over the yoga mat. Keep the hand active, the stretched hand active, grounded, and inhale, come up. Now from here, come on all fours, hips and knees are in a line and palms are and shoulders in a line. Inhale, look up and exhale, curl your spine. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, chin to chest, look at the navel. Inhale, extension. Exhale, curling. Inhale and then exhale. Inhale and then bring the right foot next to the right palm in lizard pose. Keep your back leg active. Knee could be down or above the yoga mat as per your ease. Keep your arms strong, chest open, and then eventually, if possible, lift right hand up. Bring a twist and extend the arm up in the air. Breathe in and out. Hold the pose. Exhale. You can also stretch the arm in front of the body or to the side. Exhale. Release. And bring the foot in between both the palms. Now bend the right knee forward and backward and bring a gentle stretch in your hips and hamstring by practicing this. Breathe in and out. Remember to be gentle with your hamstrings. Change your side and bring the left foot next to the left palm. Again, the lizard pose. Make yourself comfortable over here. And once you feel comfortable, lift the left palm up, twist to the other side and extend the arm up in the air. Hold it up there, or you can hold the hand parallel to your body. And then eventually, as you exhale, bring the palm down where it was before. And then bring the foot in between palms. Keep the back leg active and start bringing the knee forward and towards you by folding and extending the half split. Breathe in and out. And then with the exhale, bring the leg back and sit upright in Vajrasana. Keep knees wide open for a better deep stretch. Fold forward and extend the arms. Make yourself all the room to rest really well over here. This will be the resting pose here where you bring your all the awareness in your breath and let your body stretch in a deeper manner and let it recover from all the soreness. Focus on breathing. As you inhale, you feel breath is going in. And as you exhale, you try to do the exhalation as slow as possible. Inhale, let your heart melt and grounded over the yoga mat. Exhale. Your chin or forehead could be over the yoga mat, or use any prop to support your head or hip. But idea is to get deeper by extending the arms forward. Let your hips going down over the heels with every passing exhale. Let your arms melting, let your shoulder be open, resting, your body feeling rejuvenated, relaxed at this moment. You feel how this movement helps you to recover from this stretch throughout your day once you finish this practice. And whenever you feel ready, just sit upright. Breathe in and out right over here. Start bringing both the knees together. Still in Vajrasana and eyes closed. Few more rounds of aware breath. Before you end your practice, rub your palms, Gather all the energy over your face, arms, and look in between the palms. I hope this flow helps you to feel out of soreness and makes you feel comfortable. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing. Until next time, bye bye.